This particular odd couple continues to display some rather strange potentials. Last time we ran the numbers, we'd proposed a target of $1.40 initially. This was achieved at the end of January, so we're justified in shaking the tea leaves again. What's proving interesting is the potential should the pairing now manage above $1.434, the prior high, as it becomes difficult to ignore the potential of $1.53 now making its presence felt. Rather importantly, this breaks the pairing above the downtrend since 2007 and opens the floodgates for future strengthening toward $1.83, a number we really did not anticipate mentioning. Currency top trumps. What's on the cards for pound versus dollar? To trash optimism, the relationship requires to founder below the light blue line on the chart, currently lurking at $1.31 as a reversal cycle toward $1.22 becomes painy probable. Our secondary, in the event such a level breaks, comes along at $1.09 below the red uptrend since 1984 and opening the doors for parity and worse. Thankfully, both the US and the UK are led by skillful, charismatic, competent politicians who shall doubtless prove up to the challenge. Source: Trends and Targets. Past performance is not a guide to future performance. Alistair Strang has led high-profile and top-secret software projects since the late 1970s and won the original John Logie Baird Award for Inventors and Innovators. After the financial crash, he wanted to know how it worked, with a view to mimicking existing trading formulas and predicting what was coming next. His results speak for themselves as he continually refines the methodology. Alistair Strang is a freelance contributor and not a direct employee of Interactive Investor. All correspondence is with Alistair Strang, who for these purposes is deemed a third-party supplier. Buying, selling and investing in shares is not without risk. Market and company movement will affect your performance and you may get back less than you invest. Neither Alistair Strang, share price, or Interactive Investor will be responsible for any losses that may be incurred as a result of following a trading idea. These articles are provided for information purposes only. Occasionally, an opinion about whether to buy or sell a specific investment may be provided by third parties. The content is not intended to be a personal recommendation, and is not provided based on an assessment of your investing knowledge and experience, your financial situation or your investment objectives. The value of your investments, and the income derived from them, may go down as well as up. You may not get back all the money that you invest. The investments referred to in this article may not be suitable for all investors, and if in doubt, an investor should seek advice from a qualified investment advisor. Full performance can be found on the company or index summary page on the Interactive Investor website. Simply click on the company's or index name highlighted in the article.